the hill is Callum Short.
Yeah, he ran really wide out there. Don't think he wanted to do that, really.
Yes, it comes with it now, but his foot down, but the front end, lost the front end as he came through bottom S. I think it was only because he got his foot down that he recovered it, but now he's disappearing off and he's about to cross the line.
Time for Callum Short, 35.64. 35.64. Speed over the line, 74. The next one coming to the line is going to be Jamie Mitchell, number 6. He's on his way. Qualified.
Well, they probably see a black cloud.
Yes, you can. In fact, Jamie was pulling a wheelie between top and bottom S, and he used all the track coming out of top S, nearly kissed the bank. But he's across the line.
Time 34.69. 34.69. That's quicker than his qualifying time. Speed for him over the line, 85. Next coming up is Guy Ursel, number 4, qualified on 34.82.
Line out. Yes, right now.
Yes, Guy's entry speed seems quite high, and the bike tries to throw him off. So he's right on the ragged edge at the moment. As he comes through top S, it all seems tied in together, and he's disappearing over the line to finish now.
Time for Guy Ursel, 33.82, which is exactly 1 second quicker than his qualifying time, and crossed the line at 98 miles an hour. They've got the bug, haven't they?
They certainly have.
Paul Jeffries on his way now, qualified on 34.71.
Road racing machine, and into the S's already.
Yes, Paul's piling into the S's. As I say, he's got it well tucked over, and he's leading nicely. Very smooth as he came through here. No dramatics, little twitch of the tail as he put the power down. Front end lifts off the ground twice, and he's across the line.
Time 33.53, which is substantially quicker than his qualifying time of 34.71. Time now 33.53, 107 miles an hour over the finishing line.
That's going something.
It's telling me it's going something.
And there's a big
Next
one.
man is number 8, Alan Jolly.
That's a quick run, and he's into the S's already.
Yes, he's approaching quite quickly as well. He's got his foot down, front of the bike's drifting about. Back end steps out as he leaves me, but again pulling wheelies as he goes, and he's across the line now.
Time for Alan Jolly, 34.39. 34.39, which is quicker than his qualifying time. Crossed the line at 97 miles an hour. Now we've got Peter Short. Very different. He's on his way.
Yes, Peter's with me now, not quite as fast as the approach. Front end of the bike stepped out as he came out of bottom S between top S. As soon as he puts the power down, it's squirted sideways a little bit, top S, but he's across the line.
Time for Peter Short, 34.21. 34.21, which is a chunk better than his qualifying time. They are really taking this seriously, these chaps.
They are, aren't they?
Next man up should be Glyn Poole. Yes, it is. He qualified in 34.2. No way to
Well, it's going to be dark, sure. But if you look out of box,
They really appreciate the need to press on.
yes, Glyn's got his feet down, got the bike at quite a steep angle as he came through here. Really took down over the bars, knees in, and he's across the line.
Time for Glyn Poole, 33.16.
Wow. Puts him in the lead, doesn't it?
And that's 1.2 and a bit seconds better than his qualifying time, which was 34.24.
It's him then,
93
Herschel.
miles an hour. Now we've got Stuart Mills, qualified on 33.98.
He'd not done that and he's into the S's already.
Yes, well over on the right-hand side of the track as he entered. Cats the bike over very quickly, gives it a squirt, the whole bike slides sideways towards the banking, but never got there, fortunately, and he's across the line.
Time for Stuart Mills, 33.80. That's 2/3 of a second.
Finish speed as well, 111.
111. Qualified on 33.98, so that's an improvement. Tom Shaw now qualified on 33.
Down through that box, kicks the pedal down.
Yes, very fast approach into Motorbikes, legs out. Steadies the bike briefly, a quick touch of the foot as the bike twitched away over the bars and he's across the line.
Time for Tom Shaw, 32.24. 32.24. That's it's a second quicker in general terms, and 97 miles an hour. Last bike of the day. This is Tommy Hodges, who qualified on 33.1. Coming up.
Yes, I mean, that's just a firework display on its own, isn't it? It's the same as he comes through here. I'd love to think what happens if you're connected with the drain cover, but he's disappearing at a rate of knots. He's across the line already.
Time for Tommy Hodges, 32.46. 32.46 over the line at 96 miles an hour. So, as a result of these run-offs, we have got a new best time of the day. It is 32.24, and it's